Operation guidance of UL blood glucose meter Y-582. Confirm the following accessories. Unscrew the adjustment head of the blood-taking pen. Install the blood-taking needle into the needle holder. Take off the protective cap by vertically unscrewing it from the blood-taking needle. Screw on the adjustment head of the blood-taking pen again. Adjust the puncture depth. Pull the handle backward until a click is heard. Do not touch the blood inlet when taking the test strip. Insert the electrode end of the test strip into the slot. With the blood inlet pointing upwards, push it in firmly until it will go no further. Make sure the code number on the screen is the same as that on the test strips box. Press down arrow button for before, after meal setting. The flushing blood drop symbol is displayed on the screen, prompting blood collection. Clean and dry your hands before blood collection. Press the tip of the blood-taking pen against your fingertip and press the eject button to collect blood. Gently squeeze your fingertip for a small amount of blood. Let the blood inlet of the test strip touch the drop of the blood. The blood will be sucked into the test strip automatically. Your blood glucose level will be displayed in 5 seconds. The blood-taking needles and test strippers are disposable items. Please dispose of them in the waste bin after use. Unscrew the adjustment head of the blood-taking pen. Insert the tip of the blood-taking needle into the protective cap and slide the release lever to unload the needle. Unload test strips. After unloading the test strip, the result will be saved automatically and the meter will shut down. Press up arrow button to check recent results. Press up arrow button for 3 seconds to check the average blood glucose value before or after meal for 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months.